This wonderful 2009 Dodge 3500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 4-door crew cab long bed truck has comfortable khaki cloth 40/20/40 bench seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder 12-valve engine, an effortless transmission, and has the safety and security of 4-wheel drive with a limited slip differential. Its electronic features include satellite radio, a trip computer and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption, and its range, based on its remaining fuel. The safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, fog lamps and a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.